Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on the Rog Ally. First, you'll want to install the game directly onto your device, either from the Epic Games Store or the official Genshin Impact website. Next, ensure all your ROG Ally drivers are fully updated for the best compatibility and performance. Finally, make sure to adjust the in-game graphics settings to find a balance that provides a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience right from the start. To truly optimize your Genshin Impact experience, set your ROG Ally's operating mode to Turbo. This provides maximum power for demanding games. Consider lowering the in-game resolution to 720 pixels. This significantly boosts frame rates without a huge visual compromise on the smaller screen. Also, disable effects like motion blur and bloom within Genshin Impact settings to further enhance performance and clarity during fast-paced combat. The ROG Ally's integrated gamepad offers an intuitive way to control your characters in Genshin Impact. Take advantage of the customizable button mappings to tailor the controls precisely to your personal playstyle, making combat and exploration feel natural. For those who prefer a more traditional setup, you can easily connect an external keyboard and mouse, transforming your Ally into a compact PC gaming station for Genshin Impact. Managing battery life is key for portable gaming. Adjust your ROG Ally's power settings to a more balanced mode when not in intense combat to significantly extend your playtime. For extended adventures away from an outlet, carrying a portable power bank is highly recommended. This ensures you can enjoy Genshin Impact's expansive world and engaging story anywhere, making the most of the Ally's impressive portability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.